please, please, please. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Woo-wee. She sounded good. Yes, sir. Booty action.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
What's going on, family? Tony of the Quiet Storm coming to you with another video. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Enjoyed your weekend, as it was a nice weekend. I didn't do too much, but hey, I still enjoyed it because it was nice outside. I was able to get out just a little bit, just chill out. Gave Saddie a nice bath, but it's back dirty again. This daggone pollen getting on my nerves. But it's all good. It's all good. It'll be gone soon, so I'm just waiting for that to happen and whatnot, because she's gonna be gleaming and glistening after this stuff is gone. But just coming through to say what's up, see how everybody's doing. I know I always checking on you all, and I appreciate y'all, rocking with me, watching my videos and everything, and definitely appreciate your likes, and hit that subscribe button. I like your hit them likes, comment, share it, hit them likes, subscribe. But just coming to you, getting a lot of compliments on what I've done so far with Saddie. People saying, "Hey, I like that charger. I like that charger." I definitely appreciate all the compliments. And, even though I'm fixing it up the way that I want it, but I'm glad to hear that other people like it as well. Because as I said, trying to make it not the baddest, but one of the baddest scaps out here. So, like I said, I've been getting a lot of compliments, whatnot. People, stop me, on the road or even at a store or anything, and they see me, "Hey, I like that charger." And I definitely appreciate it. It makes me feel good too. So I definitely appreciate all your compliments on Saddie and what I've done to her, because it definitely makes me feel good. But definitely makes me feel good. So I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. Try to fix up a little bit more. Excuse the jumpiness, but this road is crazy. But yeah, this road is real bumpy. They need to fix it. As all the other roads, they got potholes and everything, But still jumping. But, appreciate y'all. I definitely appreciate y'all. I'm just rolling, man. I mean, I know this weekend, you know, I kind of rode around the city just a little bit, you know, just profiling a little bit, you know. And a couple young guys pull up on me, you know, want me to rev my engine up or whatever. Want to try to test me a little bit, even though they knew they couldn't beat me. But just messing around with them, you know, nothing serious, just having a little fun. Then I ran up on this other scat pack, and they told him to do the same thing, and he kind of did a little more than I did, but he got a little sideways too. But yeah, just out here having fun, enjoying my car, enjoying life while I can, while I'm still here, and hopefully you all are enjoying yours too. You know, because tomorrow's not promised. So, you know, enjoy it while you can. Smell the flowers while you can. Give flowers to other people while they can still smell them. Because, you know, you never know, man. Could be too late. Could be too late. But hopefully, you know, you're showing your love to all your family, to your friends, and just being positive about life, because there's no time to be acting stupid out here, man. I ain't got time for it. It's a waste of time too. So enjoy your life. Enjoy your life. But yeah, I'm just cruising on to the house after a day's work. Just had to give Saddie something to drink, you know, a little gas, a little petrol, you know. But now I'm about to head to the house, so that's gonna be a wrap. Once again, I appreciate y'all tuning in. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Appreciate all the compliments that I get on Instagram or even out while I'm out and about. So definitely appreciate all of that. But make sure if this your first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share it with your family and friends. And leave me a comment. Leave me a comment. I don't mind. I love to hear from you. And also, you know, one thing, once you subscribe, hit that notification button also, you know, so each time I post up a new video, you get notified that it's out there. You can go on up there and watch it. So, but yeah, man, it's going to be a wrap for this video. As I end all my videos, God made all things possible. Nothing's impossible. As long as you have faith in Him, believe in Him, trust in Him, believe in yourself, trust yourself, have faith in yourself, and everything gonna be all right. So, until the next video, holla at y'all later.